Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and it's been a while, yes I know, but I am back and today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious recipe here. Don't miss this for anything. So as you can see, I have all my ingredients here. They are also going to be in the description. You can check as well. So as you can see, I have my garlic here, my potatoes, eggplant, onions, minced meat, paprika, that's bell pepper, and also some tomato sauce which I've already prepared. Okay, so let's get started. Now I'm going to heat my oil, and after doing that I'm going to add my potatoes to the pan, and I'm going to fry it a little. I'm not going to let it be really cooked. Okay, I'm just going to let it be half cooked. Okay, yes, so I'm going to fry it. When it's ready, I'm going to remove it and then add other stuff. So that's how I wanted my potato to be like. As you can see, it is ready. I'm going to add my oil to the pan. After letting it heat a little, I added my onions. I'm going to let the onions fry for some seconds, which after that I'm going to add my bell pepper. You can decide to use whichever bell pepper you want. It is fine. So after adding the bell pepper, of course, I'm going to add my carrots, my tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, I'm also going to add the zucchini, okay? And after that, I'm going to add also the other stuff later on. And guys, I forgot to add my garlic while frying the onions. So I'm going to add the garlic now, but you can add the garlic when frying your onions so that it will go right in the food, like the aroma will be in it. So after that, I'm going to add my minced meat, also known as grinded meat, and I'm going to fry it together, let it cook together. And I'm also going to add a little amount of salt and my Maggi cube as well. So after adding the Maggi cubes, I'm going to stir, of course, and then add my paprika, my chilli, and black pepper and other stuff as well. So I'm just going to add it, and after that I'm going to, of course, stir everything properly together and then go to the next process. And guys, trust me, this food is so delicious and also very healthy. You are going to love this food. Give it a try. Even your children, they will love it. It is very delicious. Okay, so after that I'm going to add my eggplant. Now I've already cut it into the pieces I want it, and as you can see, the pan is too small, so I'm going to switch to my air fryer. I'm going to switch all the stuff here, I mean the food, to my air fryer. Okay, remember I have already almost cooked the food, like it's almost already cooked. So I'm just going to mix everything together in this air fryer and then put it in the air fryer and let it cook. You can also decide to put it in a bigger pot, like cook it on the fire. Okay, you can decide not to use the air fryer. It's also very okay. So as you can see, I added my already fried potato to it, and also my tomato sauce, which I already cooked before. So I'm just going to mix everything together and then put everything in. Okay, so I also added some black pepper. It is very important, guys. Without black pepper, you will not get that taste, that aroma. Like, I love black pepper in my food. So I, of course, added a little amount of water so that it will not be too dry. And remember what I said before, you can decide to use your pot, like continue cooking it with a pot or with a pan, is fine. But I just decided to try this method. I decided to give it a try and see the outcome. So this is my air fryer. I've put it in. I'm going to set my air fryer for 25 minutes on 200 degrees. Okay, and as you can see, that was like after 19 minutes in the air fryer. You see how it looks like. It is also not fully cooked. I'm going to put it again for the remaining 6 minutes, and then I'm going to also show you how it looks like later on. So as you can see, after 4 minutes, that's how it looks like. And for me, it is very okay, but for my children, for my little baby, I decided to cook it in the pot again so that it will be more soft. Okay, I have already removed my own, the one I want to eat. I removed it already because I don't like it to be too soft. So as you can see here, this is the one my kids, like my little children, are going to eat. So guys, that's it. That's how I prepare this delicious, delicious, healthy food you are seeing here. Thank you guys so much for watching from the start till the end. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get a notification anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys so much. And please, if you find this video helpful, healthy, interesting, please share it with your friends and everyone you know. See you in my next video. Bye.